Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you, and according to some things that a person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that he got a ticket from a police officer. And based on some things that the person said, I assume that the ticket is a traffic ticket. You see it? Based on some things that the person said in the video, I would like you to tell me if you think the person deserved the ticket that he said that he got, or if he did not deserve the ticket, or what. You understand? Yeah, and please bear in mind that I'm going to blur out certain parts of this video because it's not really good to share people personal information all over on social media. Understand? Yeah, the man shows certain things in the video, and I think certain things contain certain information that I think might be personal. So I say, but anyways, let me know what you think about the things that the person said in this video. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, tell me what you think.
More want to know pre this, right? Want to know look on this. So I get a ticket a while ago. $3,500 I think the on the ticket. How much the on the ticket? 3,500 on the ticket for no carrier's license. Watch this, you know. No carrier's license I get the ticket for. And watch this now. I have a valid green plate, yes, alright? And I have a valid road license, yes, alright? This is my road license, right? And all of my documents them up to date. And the policeman ticket me. Me just buy the vehicle and I transfer over the documents. I transfer over the documents to this vehicle so that me can drive it. Today at June 2021. For sure, yes, I hit me I do now. Look on the date, you know. June 2021. Me just go to the valuation for the vehicle and then value my vehicle and everything. So this is a valuation for my vehicle what me just go do. And them are going to tell me now, say, me I drive without a valid carrier's license. And me I explain to the officer and I tell the officer, say, yes, I hit me in a process I do. Me have to green plate the white plate the vehicle before me green plate the vehicle. And the man still ticket me $3,500. $3,500 the man ticket me for. The same date the man ticket me, see it there? The same date the man ticket me at the same date me I look about it. The man not even using conscience and say, good luck youth. Yeah man, you're on the right track. Good luck youth. Keep it up. The man ticket me $3,500. You know, using conscience and say, alright, he man look about the license, make him go on. Come on man, you can't use a conscience officer. This unfair man. You discourage the little youth them from do the right thing, man.
Alright, based on some things that the person said in the video, I think that the police officer who he claimed gave him the ticket could have been somewhat more lenient towards the situation. Based on what the person said, because I'm only going by the things that the person said in the video. You see? Yeah, I mean, if there are evidence that shows that the person did certain things within certain dates that are close together, I think that would somewhat prove that the person was trying his best to get certain things done when it comes on to the motor vehicle being on the road. And based on some things I hear the person say, you know, it take a little time to get certain things done. Yes, I say, yeah man, and you know, I think that the police officer could have been somewhat more lenient based on the things that the person said in the video. But the best thing I think him should do, you know, just pay him ticket. I mean, I think me have even said that to the person, really and truly. You know, just pay for your ticket and just know say I hit that and just move on and just step forward and continue making progress in your life. You see what I say? Yeah man, people tell me what you think though. Based on some things that he said, do you think that he deserved the ticket that he said that he got? Or if you think he did not deserve that ticket or what? Tell me what you think, alright? Now, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that have been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the entire video had been recorded. The entire video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between police officers from within the country of Jamaica and a man who allegedly said to be a soldier. The confrontation escalated into an altercation between the police officers and the man who is said to be a soldier. Now, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that have been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the entire video had been recorded. The entire video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between police officers from within the country of Jamaica and a man who allegedly said to be a soldier. The confrontation escalated into an altercation between police officers from within the country of Jamaica and a man who is said to be a soldier. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen and look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation. See, because some comments have been made about the whole situation or about the entire video on social media that gave me the understanding that quite a number of persons said that the police officers could have handled the situation better. Some of the comments on social media also gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the man who allegedly is said to be a soldier was in the wrong and that he could have behaved better. See me? But you can tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. The reason why I am presenting these pieces of videos to you is because the entire video is being talked about on social media. Alright? Now I want you to please bear in mind that in these pieces of videos, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. Parts of these pieces of videos shows the persons shoving and pushing each other. And in these pieces of videos, you can hear harsh language. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Look, listen, observe. You can tell me what you think. Observe.
No, it's what, man. Yeah, chat.
Mama Tabia.
Make me chat, because him they do nothing. Him they do nothing. He must go in the yard. And yard he must go. And yard he must go with the baby. When you talk, I'll be on it.
Drive up.
No, man, you can't stop yourself.
Yeah.
And yard he must go. Mr.
Yeah.
Stop him! A foolish system I'm going with! Foolish system I'm going with!
I am same one beat Ronald.
Hey! Take it out of the come where we are going office!
Yeah.
I shall not abuse of authority! I make the world one if we get good! Jesus Christ! Michelle! Fight him, man! Michelle! That kill him alone! Fight him! Fight the shit out of them!
Yeah, man. Me a video, man.
Which you can't be a walk on a video, you have to front. Come on, front.
Me a zoom in, man. Me
No,
zoom
man,
in.
come on, front. And be calm and a foolish charging. You can't do it, man, that man by yard. What are we there as with this?
So, JD, from never think you come and control my watch me. Remember. No worry, I see no friend. First thing you know, rum. You're intoxicated, you stink of rum. Look. Remember
Eh? He might go in a yard and then just pull up back him. Try him out and car. Yeah. And start beat him.
Be worried.
Well, my people, you ever hear one saying where them say cockroach down business in a whole fight? Because if the man who allegedly is said to be a soldier is actually a real soldier, then all of those persons who was involved in the confrontation and altercation are law enforcers. Yes, what I say? Yeah, yes, what I say, my people, for real, is it? Yeah, but on a real though, if I should go by some things that at least one civilian said in the video that I saw, and I'm talking about the entire video, then those police officers might be considered to be in the wrong, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, man. And in at least one part of the entire video that I saw, I heard when the man who allegedly is said to be the soldier accused at least one of those persons who are said to be police officers of being intoxicated. I assume drinking, and I mean alcohol. If the allegation that true viewers and subscribers, that's another thing to look into. Because no police are supposed to drink on the job. Now, based on some things that I saw in the video, I got the understanding that the police put handcuffs on the man who allegedly is said to be a soldier. But I don't have any confirmed information if that man had been taken into police custody or not. No, I don't know, viewers and subscribers. But if I get any more information about this situation, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know, if possible. Or I might even do another video. But the people, still, the entire video has been talked about on social media. You don't know, me, I gotta do my best to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. You can let me know what to think about the things that I talked about in this video. You can let me know what to think about those videos that I presented to you. So, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna stay safe and walk good.